Hi guys, good day. As most of us locksmith knows of this ALMONT padlock, which is quite a good kind actually before, but now I had discovered about this kind of forceful entry, which I tried to figure out how did he open it by force, and I observed that the newly manufactured ALMONT padlock now, it has a little different from the old one, which is a little bit stronger than the new one now. Well, I had found out about the forceful entry which was used in some of the facility, which this had been opened by hammering the body against the shackle. So I tried to check what was the cause of it, and I found out that the old shackle, which is almost in a caliper, it has a neck here which allow the ball bearing to go through it when the cylinder, when the core is on the lock position, and comes out when it is on the unlock position. And on the old shackle, I discovered that this kind of thickness at the bottom of the shackle is almost 2.4 millimeter, and on the new shackle, which is I observe is almost going thin now, and it's almost as you can see, it's almost that is approximately 1. That's 1 point look like the shackle thickness at the bottom is like 1.2 millimeter. So that is a big difference from the old retaining part of the shackle, which is 2.4. The new shackle retaining the bottom retaining part now is 1.2. So there is a difference of 1.2, and that is the reason I think that this was opened by trying to hammer it from the body of the shackle against the body of the lock against the shackle. So let's try this one. Okay, I had picked it already, so let's try to return it back. And the method which they use on opening this ALMONT is by holding it with a sturdy things like a vice grip or whatever. Hold it there, and then they hammer it out from this body here. See that? So I had check on what happened, and so I realized that because of the thinness of this retaining part of the shackle here, once it is hammered forcefully, it took the locking retaining part here of the shackle. So okay, so user now, I tried to tell you about this kind of lock, that whenever you buy this kind of cylinder, ALMONT key padlock, this is a new one from the box. It has almost also 1.2 millimeter. That is very thin for the bearing to hold it through when it is forcefully hammered from this body here, and it will give way because this bearing doesn't go all on that neck there. It just goes almost like 1/16 locking this body here. That's how it goes now. So those who want to use this padlock, try to check. As I know, it is no more secured. The new padlock now for ALMONT key. Try to check at least you have a 2.4 bottom that holds the bearing. If it is too thinner than that, like 1.2, as I explained before, don't take this padlock. It will just easily be opened by hammering through its body against the shackle. Yeah, this is a dangerous one because as the look of it is, it's like a strong one, you know. Strong one. The look of it, because it is ball bearing, so we think that it's strong, and it will not. But you see the clearance, the tolerance of the shackle. It's no longer good. Just by hammering from this body here, you can open it and puncture. You see the puncture? See the puncture of this? That's where the ball bearing passed through it. They punctured this retaining part of the shackle, and that's it. It opens the lock. 1 second, oh my God. So it's up to you, my friends, to those who want to buy this kind of padlock, but be aware. Try to look for something that is thicker than 1.2, at least 2.4 on this bottom here. 2.4, I think that will hold a bit, but still it can be opened by the hammer, by a forceful opening of hammering the body. It still can be opened. So okay folks, so it's up to you to decide, and I hope the company will improve it, because there is still a clearance here, and they can make this at least 3 millimeter, so that it will hold fully the bearing on this side. Anyway, the bearing on this side, it's no use because it's just sliding here. There is already a slot here that doesn't lock the bearing actually from this neck here, only on this side. That's how it locks. So okay, so thanks for watching folks, and good day. I hope this is a good information for all those who has the ALMONT padlock. Try, it's up to you. If you want to make your lock secure, replace it with a better one, maybe with a sisa, which has a very strong shackle, or ICO or Medico. It's up to you, but this kind of padlock now is really, I can say that risky. It's really risky to secure your area. Okay folks, thanks for watching, and good day.